Stop that. I'm not in a good mood today.
Why?
What's going on?
Why can't touch you?
You can touch me, but I'm not in that mood. See, I'm not in that mood today. What's going on?
Why did I do something bad?
You've done something bad, yes.
What did I do?
What didn't you do wrong? What didn't you do wrong? What's going on between you and that fat guy?
But they can't touch your mattress. What do you want me to say again?
Hamion. You're really stressing me. What's my coma? Huh? Can you correct him? Then I go to one it's out to boy.
Can't me trying to find you.
I say your compass. The beer is trying to coin. The beer two body, the beer be do our new area. The beer on a better than a coin. I would try the coin down where Barbie to me escape. Then also was such a coin. And then was such a coin. Okay,
so coin way. Also, you too. Besides, so when a coin, I will.
Giant and a canoe crack. Canoe crack. That was such a coin, and else was a coin with you too. Quite going to know names of coin you too. We are my town for you. Meaning, some come them behind the piano assistant. We.
I can't cry on your machine.
No crabbing or coming your share and like them.
I say, I'm not fool. You said the last time rice now, me the bar was torn now, some semi-torn.
Some of the doing communion, and also cotton or you want rice no communion, maybe
so. Okay.
I think.
What's a name?
See, dear, that's my. You do it. See, then I don't know the mona stop you. My mona some codani didn't command me the abam. Then I'm more.
2 bonnet to buy.
2 bonnet to Indiana.
I don't drink on a to buy.
On a toba, Sessin, maintains. There's a channel coin. We are not a money drink. And I said, like, dear, day. So, channel coin, a money drink. Kasai, you de Kasai, no, I'm crashing.
The last time, I know the name Kandana wish me
4 times in an unknown count.
So he met me on the way now. I saw him won't come. I'm son coming. When I see the son meeting.
No, because I'm so
boy. Daddy.
Seer, see me, man, say, oh boy, now so quadrille. And another day.
Mentia, see.
See, auntie, I see Uncle Demo, bro.
No. Yet, Jenna didn't see me. No, was though she knew on more crown provisions now.
Your Jenna dinner, Casabi.
Did.
See, I won't see me do. See, any my town for you. See, any my town for you. Because maybe for being him, so we see at the Obia. See, I started 3 weeks new. You mean 1 month too? You need 1 month anniversary. Abba.
You was coming.
Not to open pony. That's ya. I call you any fuka crack. I didn't know what we own. You need no one through. Only say.
You did. Or your boat I do not.
Now your boat I do more than needed. Asia.
Or your delivery food. Boat food.
2 years, Draniana.
Yeah.
See, my cat was a metis coming to you.
When was the last time I offered this camera to you?
See, the 200 there to the 200 there to. See, Jamie, my same cacre. We are nice lady. You
want to offer you?
The man I make control someone in Freddy and in Brobium.
I saw the baba me. Tell Senior Jimmy, dear.
Monsieur Pam. Then I'm here. Obey. Climb in my first what's no.
The match. I'm in child.
Phobia, this one. Uncle.
So what's else?
See a uncle like.
The
bear and I know the meaning the uncle.
You are still causing problems for me in this school. Asantua, why do you still want to fight with Precious? Look, if you decide to still have conflicts with her, I have no other choice but to report you to the school authorities.
Obey.
I'll report you to the school
authority.
You dare not. I dare not.
Von, me tonya me now try me no me tonya me ka school ha obe jai me so me jai. Wo ka kire hwan say den. Chese who defend no. Ono na oye made na me ya no. Who defend no. Instead of say obai obe kanya sasema to meet mama calm me down no. Obe we say no yes sir. E ma re fi so ugina me left o. It's me aye you say.
Asantwa, I'm not scared of you.
You are not scared of me.
I am not here to threaten you or anything. I'm just giving you a strong warning about this.
Hey.
The headmaster is not far away. He's just a few minutes away. I can just go to him and report your case. No matter what, you will still be punished for insubordination. You can even be sacked. Asantwa.
Go and tell him I'm waiting.
Asantwa.
Go and tell him I am waiting. Nonsense. Wabejina ha obi edinsemfo wabejina ha who defending no. Who defending? Just only date on. Because who need date, only need relationship bia. And ka won ya ade ma wumba emba mejina menim bekeka de wo kan enchre me. Wawda una akra ne show name uyem 9 months. Unim stress e wom. En kasa asem ne kran cheme ma me bunfu.
Asantwa, first of all, don't ever accuse me of dating Precious again. She's like a sister to me, and I will defend her at all times if somebody is trying to have conflicts with her.
Sister, try not to be new. Why?
You can't come and then do this.
Me say, try not to be new. We are not catching so a sister.
I don't have any ties with you anymore. I want to cut all ties with you. Put that through your head, and stop trying to cause problems for me in this school.
Sure.
Asantwa, I will not come again.
Cut ties with who?
Asantwa, you get that through your mind. I will not come again.
You're funny. My boss is school bag. Ukasa unya me na me de that no. Ubewie na mama wako easily on. Okay.
Asantwa, I've already spoken to you about this. It's over.
Over between who and who? Between
you and I. There is nothing else there. So stop trying to cause stress for me every now and then.
We shall
Can
see.
you please let me think? Please let me breathe.
I should let you breathe. We are messy. Yeah, I know watch the body defense. Number 5. So the best party temoano. Mbehu.
Adie ya uliasi ni se wonya na kasa chere na wunti. Eya ana sometimes me hu se me nuane ho. Me ka bibia. Me hu se me nuane ho. Ah me ka asem chewa wunti. Wo ye bonsam me boa. Ka chere me. Wo ye me bonsam. Satan from the bow to earth. Me boa. Sometimes it pisses me like you are my blood covenant. It pisses me like you are my blood covenant. Why? Just what you can be here to me boy. Chon free boy in home. Na boy in a home ton o se there be chinchina me the boy in the bed. It is see a boy in no da na se boy ni jawa see a den na oba be ka kire me.
Masa ko back to me. Scanty jamia.
Hey. Le ude kachire me say wo mama e different na mama hu why say wo mama e different na mama hu because adwene dem tiri me de da utiri no wo de ni different adayi mama ka se mi cho se me ka sa cho na so wu ntie bia ene fitina ko mi ntua school fees bi why fitina ko mi tua school fees bi on kwa kama jimi
Mate
what's it
fees ni de won tua me obi obetua ma no ntimi de
me can also patch on what was it
bra entina bra you obi obetua ma
me kind of react no
prof me don say me kwa na metiasi
dey me can see na react no ana we and
say
tu chema se match obi asa na we
Say me a short me born no.
But you not dear dame, my doing wo. Me my doing you not dear da. Me na me catch now. O be sa kopim so be wo free as me na me catch now. What? Ana me catch me to your school fees bio. Say boy na so be di na chi. That's also boy ni be to am ade amate. Why? Also be to am wa. Mate. Mate. Ba so nim so onua.
Me nua ne o.
Ana de wakwhia no abonti so different. Onim sa. So onim sa. Me na me blood no na me chiro say ade na wo ye ne jai emwa no. Why you say you never stop it? You never stop it and progressing. Hey, I feel some progressing in my heart. I feel some progressing in my heart. And I have your temptation in my mind. I swear, you are my sister. But the temptation in my mind I have for you, I swear, you go run this time around. Come back to one, I'll be your neighbor. What's it?
Grant, when I was say, what then?
Who said it?
I have them.
Well, Jimmy now, why? Kosu Jimmy. Why? Kosu Jimmy. Jimmy, now I don't know what Jimmy too much. Who's some why they? Who's some why they? So we manage to ask school fees amount. Where we are. It who's some why they? Where we are quite. We don't want to make a see how be our team. One time. Miss today. Miss today. Do you say come here? We met mama feel why don't you? Miss more time. But Yama kwaya aya koda baby because you mistake better fear on. But the pan eba wo ha na ha. Na me ja ko fie ko. Wo akwa ko wu baby. So abodama.
Fra won tai. Ibu.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know that.
I'm not. My house Aroma. I mean I can't show you now woman. Aroma. So when you may
oh, talk. Okay.
Aroma. Say about exams, right?
Me, I can't hear you.
Say about exams, right? And on some of the other board notice board and she say, wow, won't you? No mama won't show. Okay. Empty. Na me say me bana my baby culture, my baby jet me fees.
What?
Fees.
I don't. You gave me fees.
I then I say, who acted said the unim motion.
Oh, mommy, fees is in front of me.
And you want to catch me, Mike. Yenya, some not catch me say, I need to say, wow, but you to swear to your fees.
Let me Jimmy you. By then I was stupid. Take it that way. I don't have money. Better. Why I told you want to make this school a hell for me? Why?
Aroma. Odi say won odi say bibi ade bia me ka che say won ye bia won kwa de ye mame. E de na wo ye ne sa no. Say Mike makwa ye gaga ya che no. So we so betu ya still na we betu ya untu ba ka che
Hey, madam, please. Miss Rel, I am begging you in the name of God. Please. Me paucho, me tia akropo medical last semester. I haven't paid my school fees yet. Me friend papa me nyano, please. I don't want any problem.
Intina what they can now, over me say we betu ya me fees name.
But then I was a pastor. You could preach here at least. I get something. Now I don't go for evangelism again. So why do you expect me to get money
So
from?
Start
what? Headmaster has taken my megaphone and things. I can't even go out and preach. Better the thing is, I don't have money. And even if I have, I am not going to pay.
Share.
Since you see, I know your plan. And so you want to use this to get back to me, right? School fees in Tinkameka and the I am not firing you, sir. Better, please. I don't have any money.
Aroma. What the fees ne be mami on? What the fees ne be mami me kasa na tu amen kasa oh. What the fees ne be mami on? Aroma. Me kasa
Brita. I don't like that, Brita. You've been tense. Give me my book, Brita. What's the meaning of that? What harm is her from last week? My catch was a Brita. I don't need you in my life. I can't date you. Leave me alone. Why all these disturbances? Why? What do you want from me? Abba, are you not tired? Come on.
Aroma. I do say.
I tell her, Brita. I tell her since you want to do it, you want to prove to me that you are aggressive. I tell her I also have to show you that I'm not going to fall for this. Ade.
What's the meaning?
What?
Nee, na me ba be card show. Say be your fees ni betua. Ka utia mami akani jawo life for my wo. Why?
You can make us last man.
How did babo me? How why?
Bulla na mo. Kai bulla na ni mo. Ndan tuja ke bi. Beta. Ndan tuja ke bi kai. Kora wizi. Ebo ndo kora wizi no hang here. I will pay the money.
Adia burenchi. Abindadi. Burenchi. Abindadi. Adia burenchi. Abindadi. Burenchi. Abindadi.
Whatever that is going between you and Aroma, can't you stop? See, it's not nice. You're a pretty girl and you can get any guy that you want. It's like you are going after him. Already I've been in a relationship with Adams and you know that those two are brothers. So can't you stop? Uchi, are you here to advise me or you are here to condemn me? Like that's no listen, say okay say what advice me the way obviously advising me, but you are pretty. Why are you dating two Adam? Advising me, yes. Some person can be I can't hear what advising me. Please, can you stop being in a relationship with him? Can you let him go? It's not nice. I don't like it. I feel hurt like when I hear people talking about you, saying a lot of things about you. It's like you are forcing yourself on him. And I really like you, please. I know you like me, but I'm not forcing myself on Aroma. We both know like we are in love, you get. And you see relationship get. That's not what we see outside there. I like you, Ava. Please. Leave Aroma alone. Gucci, what price way there is like I said, oh mommy warning to stay away from him. I'm giving you warning. See, I don't like when people talk bad about you. That's why I said I'm giving you advice. Please. Okay. Thanks for the advice. But menfa. Am I really to menfa? Menfa, cause the woman here Roman terminal. She ain't me empty more. So you want me to be okay if I hear anything about you concerning you and Aroma? Yes. See, so person me no untem. Eye kuwa me advice me say me stay away from Aroma da. You get? Ama. Luchi. Okay. Tell me. So pe say what advice me emfa many Aroma enyema. Say you book ho say studies na be catch me say oh me study me ade they are fine and I know say ope masem. But say do many Aroma a relationship am say me pe say make say tia cause why am papa da. But that too is always like it's there. You can't even focus Ama. Relationship are not good. I'm not saying it's not good with Aroma, but you can't stop. Aroma guys say ubenya udunya be mami. Ama, you are a pretty girl. That's what I said. You're a pretty girl. You can get a lot of guys that you want. Thanks. Why? What advice? So you're not taking my advice. What advice? No, for like me kwa yadi o. Me kwa yadi. Emfa. Why? Can I? Okay, you can leave. And Shami mommy sir advice can't kind of. Why? Anyway, you can take it or leave it. It's up to you.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me person me come any months I draw meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Let's see. We are good. We are fine. Me ko pharmacy or ko page. I should say okay. But you, I don't understand you.
Why? What is it?
Just like that, you allowed everything to slide.
No. Only says it's like me who share than told me. Me should have your fit, sir. I tell you.
If it's, you know, see our home. Girl, no so training baby.
Yeah, but to person me hope like me hope some me see me that day.
But that girl no go find lady be inside any man. Cause I mean, cause I do any.
So then yeah, but maybe answer me ko pay drone. You know drone na me hope some me say me want to be an afi. Me who choir me ne before.
That girl no be fool. Baby shelling me. Since I just can't tell friends, you know.
Why they?
I just can't tell friends. Say I can't tell more lies.
Hey!
Yes.
Seriously?
Serious.
If I did. Hey!
I don't give you crown, mama. You have to wisdom. Oh, I'm the better.
I know you too.
You know, say, I'm a person who got poor. You see, oh,
hey! Me donya me so the whole school the whole school girls no. Me donya me see I wanna win yatsi. Me donya me see a guy. Hey!
girl, I wasn't training dancer.
I'm
just
hey.
Frank and I.
She never saw. Fuck, I'm boy you see. And Jano,
China name just can't touch
me how much it's so many things.
Baby, I'm going to be in bed.
Can you school back?
Santoa, Kasawa.
Hey, rather me feeling.
Some money and training baby.
Yeah,
from you that dome.
The power to say no. Me donya me
Full backup.
Then
Don't do never. Yeah, trying to get on the so inside.
Me kwaba me eh ready go go.
Na me kuja.
Hey, seriously.
Well, we can't just be fighting each and every day. So at least, Aroma, you just have to give me the maximum respect as your senior brother. Good. So that I'll also give you the maximum respect as my junior brother and treat you as my junior brother.
Alright. Well, Adams, I'm coming. Before you continue, I want to thank you. Yes, for getting this. I don't want to say sense, but for deciding.
We are settling peace, so you can see sense. So really, it's fine.
I am very happy at that because this is what I want. We can't be fighting up like this. I want to see you as my senior brother.
Exactly.
So please, Adam, the thing is, I want you to respect yourself. When you do that, I will respect you.
Correct all my mistakes.
Really?
I also want you to correct all your mistakes and advise yourself. Because we are brothers. Brothers for good, Aroma. We shouldn't be fighting each other.
My guy.
So,
okay.
And secondly, from now, since we've settled peace, and I send you on any errands, at least you should be fast.
No problem, brother.
Anywhere I send you, you should.
I should hurry up and go.
Exactly.
Trust me, I will do exactly that.
For example, if I ask you to go and get me food, go and call this one. You see, we are brothers. What are brothers for?
I'll do it, my brother. Trust me. If you see me, if you accord me that respect, Adams, I will do same. Trust me, I will do same. Yeah.
I really like Aroma. You can even come for my Air Force, okay?
Yeah, Air Force.
Yeah. Really? Put this in the room. Yeah.
I got you.
So right now, I want to check something up. Really? So, meet me at the dormitory.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay.
But wait. You see us as now we've settled peace.
Yeah.
So, I wanted to wait for you. I wanted to wait and tell you this tomorrow, or maybe some other time.
Feel. Tell me. Do you want me to get something for you?
Exactly. I want you to deliver something for me.
Okay.
I'm giving you some piece of information.
Alright.
Aroma, I hope we all know this lady Precious.
Cannon. Yeah.
Some misunderstanding between us.
Yeah.
And since we've settled peace,
you want to settle peace with her too, right?
Yes, I want to settle peace with her too. But I want you to do that for me, and I want.
No problem.
Yeah, so this I want you to do it. You see, she was my ex-girlfriend.
Yeah. I know.
So I want you to go and talk to her.
That you are sorry.
That since both of us have settled peace as brothers.
Yeah.
I want you to tell her I need her back. I still love her. Aroma, you are my younger brother. Go and do this for me. Do this middleman job for me. You've settled peace. I still love Precious. I want to continue everything with her. Upon everything that's going on between me and Precious, I still love her. What you say? Hey! So, Nina can peace no.
Adams,
So I said again. Nina can peace no.
Adams, Hey, Adam, no, the thing is getting serious, Adams. The thing is getting out of hand. You better now say Adams before we realize you are mad. Listen up, let's be real. The thing is getting out of hand. Adams, you are mad. No, so by now then Adams is getting out of hand.
Adam, what's wrong?
You are not normal.
Then I think be like you be address say you the 3 years settle peace but na person do confusion into kwaba. Ya settle this is here and what here say unu aketo aminu aketo no nti de be am small be abeko de make say be abe I then afraid there who change your mind me small just do this simple task for me. I need Canning back, I need Precious back. I still laugh it.
For all what you've done you still think that Canning will come to you?
And no nama as a broken heart and I'm name be brave. Like me pegel no. I still laugh it. So
Hey,
I want to even like so won't me who can be pass or catch on Campesenka. You mean your crampo yamfa I dream being 23 say na ya prank ye me afo. So say be no I do original swing and say because we are siblings. Until at least yanko can say na a prank and a map of people school was some because you for by a year for we don't know each other. So that I'll get Precious back. Aroma, I need the girl.
Boy, more Titanos. We are your
no hospital one Bibi hospital Adams no this can't come from that Adams no. Yes me do at let's be real here. I also saw that money be an answer. How do you feel in your system? Do you feel okay? Because Adams, you're not normal. I said you are not normal. And I mean when you say you don't see it. Yeah, we are changing you. Adams, if you need help, tell us. We will help because what you're doing is
so the tintin here and say on here.
What Jimmy? And yes I mean what Jimmy? Yeah, yes I mean you. What can I mean I say? Me nyeba me chewase. What Jimmy?
What Jimmy sir? Me nya ketwa no na me wo so wo ade na say ya ade ma me a ya so we eno ani say ntimi enye. Na o ka che me say me Jimmy what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Ya me ji wa bet de twa wa ama. O me Jimmy. Me Jimmy. Oba ya na woni.
Adams. Maya.
Oh yeah, me am embroso with Maya. Me pesa me come any monster Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah, pray that today you go be my day.
I think Adams is not normal. Yeah. Right now, Canning, I think Adams is not normal.
When did you find out?
Just recently, because I thought he was just a fool. Not knowing he is not normal. The thing is, he is sick. He's mentally ill.
I have known from day one. It's no surprise.
Will you believe he called and asked me to talk to you because he wants you back?
Oh, stop that. Why would he want me back? Oh, he doesn't.
I asked him.
Or maybe he wants to play with your mind.
Play with whose mind? He is serious.
This guy that we've been fighting, I've been biting him, punching him. Oh, no.
Precious, the thing is getting out of hand. Listen, and as a brother, I'm concerned now. I think Adams is sick.
You guys have to send him to a hospital.
How?
He's not fine. Your brother is not fine.
Because why would you call me and tell me this? That I should talk to you, he wants you back, blah, blah. When he called, he said we should settle. We should settle any misunderstanding between us. So I thought he has come back to his right senses, not knowing he was going to fool.
The guy, he will never get to he will never be okay also.
Please.
Guys,
do you have anything I can just give me an idea? What should I do to help him as a brother?
Send him to a hospital. That's the only option. You guys should send him out of the school because he doesn't deserve to be here. He's not okay. It's not safe for us to be with someone like that.
Precious, it's sad to see my senior brother behave like this.
Could you believe there was a time he was with a lace as belt, lace.
You see, Precious. This is why I'm saying
He's okay.
Adams is mad. He's sick.
He shouldn't ever try and tell me that he wants to come back with me.
So what do you suggest we do?
Tell your dad or something, cause me, I'm not related to him in any way.
And I think I have to tell say Chase.
Why? Yeah. You can tell MIA, but tell your dad too, so that you guys can work on some hospital for him. Cause it's really serious. So he can just randomly take a stone and use it to hit somebody because it's not normal.
I know.
It's not normal at all.